Hello once again. Thank you for tuning and thank you for being part of this video. Today, I'm bringing you the 7 top mega projects built in Kampala that are changing the beauty of Kampala city. Kampala is Uganda's capital city and it is heart of the country. Many mega projects are being constructed by government and by business individuals to see that the city changes its beauty. And I'm sure you would hardly recognize the city in the next couple of years if you left Uganda more than 10 years ago. Kampala is one of the capitals in East Africa, seated at more than 3,263.3 square miles, and it is reported to be among the fast-growing cities in Africa with annual population of more than 4.03% according to city's mayor. In the past couple of months, Kampala has attracted new mega projects and investments, and the beauty is really changing. Here are some of the new infrastructures and developments that have been put in place to make Kampala appear beautiful and elegant. The first project, New Pioneer Mall building. This building has changed the face of Kampala. Although it's still under construction, this building is behind Mapela and opposite Mavidi's complex, which has really changed the skyline appearance of Kampala city to the extent that some Kampala lovers have named it Kampala's Burj Khalifa. Since it's still under construction, its cost is not very well known and it's nearing completion. Another mega project that has been put in place is Judicial's Pearl Business Park project on Useful Lay Arcade. Judicial started the construction of a multi-million-dollar state-of-the-art business park along Useful Road. The multi-purpose building complex is expected to change the experience of work, leisure, residence, and lifestyle for middle and upper class residents and visitors of Kampala. The Pearl Business Park is an 18-acre mixed-use facility that will host a 5-star hotel, a shopping mall, and a modern hospital when complete. The project is expected to open shop before the close of next year. Information coming in indicates that phase 1 of the project is catering for office space, while the building will have 16 rentable floors with 27,240 square meters of built-up area, with the Kampala city short of safe parking spaces. Pearl Business Park will have 2 parking floors accommodating at least 360 cars. Nakivo Stadium. According to the government, Nakivo Stadium is going to be an ultra-modern sports complex. The $200 million project is set to be completed this year, thanks to businessman Hamis Chigundu. However, its construction has changed the downtown part of Kampala city, and the malls surrounding the stadium have also created a new legitimate appearance for the city. Nakivo will feature a gym, medical facility, restaurants, and other amenities with capacity of 35,000. Nakivo will also host several sports disciplines such as football, volleyball, athletics, boxing, among others. Another mega project that is changing the city is Haruna Towers Nakasero. Haruna Towers Nakasero, whose construction is due to start in December and will be completed in 2025, is expected to cost appropriate Haruna Sentongo a whopping $62 million. It will have offices and condos to rent or for sale. Haruna Sentong has hired Damco, a South African construction firm, which will partner with the Rock Construction. The businessman calls this project the first of its kind in East Africa. Haruna Towers is expected to have the first 10 floors of office block that can be rented out or bought by individual companies. Then the last 6 floors will be corporate residence for anyone who want to buy or rent. Another project is the bike rack in the non-motorized transport corridor, a such feature that have been known to be in cities like Amsterdam, the Netherlands, Copenhagen in Denmark. However, in the move by the Kampala City Authority to make Kampala a smart city, now Kampala has bike racks on the street like Loom Street. Another project is Kampala Flyovers. Although the project is 95% complete and is expected to open for business before the year ends, you cannot deny that it has changed the Kampala city face from an ordinary to a smart city. The flyover extension on Queen's Way is said to be laid soon, and that goes to the same thing on Ugaba Road near Clock Tower Junction, the pedestrian bridge or overpass at Clock Tower and the Mukwano Kobiri Junction, plus that at ShopRite are almost complete. But the tunnel works are done and more roads which were planned are being constructed. The traffic flow is greatly improving compared to the first few days when more roads were open to motorists. Another project is flyover and longest subway. This is the first longest subway in Uganda, part of the magnificent Kampala Flyover Road project, which will help minimize traffic congestion in Kampala city upon completion. The Nsambya Underpass Road is located at the former Nsambya Junction next to Arena Mall, and it is equipped with modern footbridge that will help manage pedestrian movements and increase safety on these roads. This modern subway road will handle traffic from Gaba Road, Mukwan Road, Prince Badu Kakunguru Road, and Nsambya Road to and from the city center. 7-story twin apparent court building. The 2 twin apparent court building at the High Court is yet another feature that is changing Kampala's face. The usual High Court will become a real High Court. Meanwhile, the 7th-floor building, whose construction is undertaken by Sayan Brothers, is to house the Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court, but will also have 2 basement floors and parking for 2 at 90%. Thank you for watching and subscribing.